Hello, welcome to React FAQs. Let's see the next question. Another important question for interviews is, what is difference between useEffect and useLayoutEffect? It's a little bit experience question. useEffect and useLayoutEffect are the hooks available in React. useEffect usually executes after the paint process in the HTML parsing. You know that HTML parsing has various phases. People write the code, markup, characters, tokens, DOM, layout, rendering and paint. Paint is the final process. Usually useEffect will work after the paint process. useLayoutEffect will work before the paint process. After the layout is generated, this useLayoutEffect works. Usually we use this for handling the DOM, not about the virtual DOM. So make sure that when you are using any interaction related to DOM, better configure that in useLayoutEffect. useEffect is good for the virtual DOM. Thank you.